So after the typhoon, so much water in the fields. Still, some water is drained now, but you can still see heavy water in the field everywhere. See? I don't know now how this water will go. Everywhere there is water. And see, so much water. It was heavily raining last 2 days. Heavy rain. See, I don't know now. Many of the see this is see my feet. See how much inside it has gone. See, we cannot walk. It's very difficult to work also. Now I cannot take my feet. I don't know how I should take it. See, very difficult to do anything. I cannot walk. See, see how I can stand, how I can walk, how I can work. I cannot. See, this much inside it is going. So much water is there. I want to fix these trees, vegetables. Those have fallen because of heavy rain. But I cannot walk. So heavy rain. See my feet. It's inside here. If I give pressure here, this will go inside. Very difficult. I think I cannot work in the field for some time. At least till this water goes. See, now I have to. How I should take my feet? I cannot. It's very difficult. Hare Krishna. Let me try to get out of this mud.